the progress of other testable theories, says SS. So SS, that's a great question. I'm not sure. Of course, I'll try. Only thing is time difference. Well, it's early morning for you now, I guess, and you can always see the live stream upload as a video later on under the live tab of my channel. So even if you miss the live, you can still see the video at all times later on. It gets uploaded, and some people see the live playback. So no worries if you miss the live, you can always see the video later on. So string theory is still sort of on the fringe, as in it's not like it gets a lot of money as it is. So I think that there is merit enough if string theory gets some of the money to do its theoretical work. Because, like, say I was in a very big physics department for my PhD, and there was maybe like one string theorist there, right? So it's not like string theorists are many in number, and it's not like that they get a lot of money. So whatever money that they do get, and maybe they can have a couple of grad students, I think it's fine. I'm not too worried that string theory gets a little bit of money because I don't think that they get that much money actually to do their work. And the people, I mean, the string theorists are people who are very, very good at all of this math. They're very sharp. They are very good at general relativity. They bring other strengths um, to the table. And for that reason alone, I would let them, do their string theory developments and kind of just let it happen because these are some pretty amazing people. And if they're doing good work and it has merit, then I don't mind. I don't mind if they get money. Hi, baby. Hi, Fuji Baba. Fuji agrees. Fuji says that string theory can get money. But of course, if we find reasons experimentally to discard or constrain some of the theories, then I would say pivoting to kind of go towards something that would inform us better is always good. So obviously, I wouldn't want money to be spent on things that are clearly wrong, right? Hi, Shona. So Fuji is now sitting on the book. So I guess we cannot turn the page just now. Michio got all the money for a long, long time to chase a God equation that probably doesn't exist. Oh, so Michio I will say, oh, here's a better thing to discuss. I mean, that's related. Michio Kaku probably got a lot of money because he's probably a very good communicator. So here's what I'll say. It doesn't really matter too much. It's not always the case that the physics that people do is just, the best physics ever and amazing and flawless and the best research ever. Sometimes, if you're a really good communicator and if you can write really good proposals and research grant proposals and communicate and give good talks, is why you will be funded. So Michio Kaku, I mean, we actually read one of his books here on the channel. It's called Einstein's Cosmos by Michio Kaku. So we know that he was into communicating and writing books and all of that stuff. So I feel like if he got a lot of money, it's honestly because in science, the people who communicate and who give good talks and who write good grants um, are the ones who get the money because the people who are reviewing those grants might not be, obviously nobody's going to be a bigger expert at the research topics other than the researchers directly. And so and so somebody has to decide whether you get the money. And if you're